Hello everyone, welcome to class time. Dear friends, we are going to see class 6 English 2 chapter 7, that is the present and past perfect continuous tense. Now the book itself gives us the description about the tense. Okay, what is this past present perfect continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense? To start with, in the warm up part you can see the dialogues like who is a waiter, and the sentence follows, reply to that sentence follows, one who has been waiting for food at a restaurant for half an hour. Dear friends, here in this sentence we can see has been waiting is highlighted. Okay, it is made bold. Okay, that means the reply that the answer that we are trying to see, like what is present perfect continuous tense or past perfect continuous tense, somewhere or the other is hidden in this particular sentence. In the further reading we can come across this. See friends, down the present perfect continuous tense to start with, it says the present perfect continuous is used for action that began in the past and have been continuing without interruption till the time of speaking. It focuses on the period of time that an activity has continued for till now. Okay, that means any action that starts in the past. Dear friends, suppose you start writing, you start reading a book in the morning, okay, morning 6 o'clock, until 7 o'clock suppose you are reading it, and 7 o'clock your mummy or papa comes and asks you like what are you doing. So what if you want to say that from 6 o'clock you have been reading, you are reading the book till that particular time, then you can say it like I have been reading book, okay, that is from 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock. That means what are you trying to say, that your work you started in the long back and till now you are doing. So for such action, any that starts in the past and continues till the present, for such action we use this present perfect continuous tense. Now before we look into some of the examples, okay, let me give you the structure of it. Okay, the structure is this way. Subject will be there initially, okay, dear friends. After subject, have been or has been. After that the ing form with the verb will be there, and verb will always carry ing with it. Why? Because it is a continuous form of the verb. Okay, that is what we are learning, present perfect continuous. Okay, so this will be the format. Now one more thing you will have to remember, dear friends, as for has will be used for the singular cases, where to use has and where to use have. Okay, I will tell you. As for the have, you may concentrate here in the blackboard. Have will be used for the pronoun I, you, and we, they. Okay, and anything that is plural, anything that is plural, any subject that is plural in the plural form, have will be used. And as for the has will be used for he or she or third person. Okay, third person, that is singular. Suppose we mention a name in the sentence. Okay, instead of using pronoun we are using the name, then this has will be used. Okay, dear friend, so this part must be clear with you, have and has, where to use, and if it is clear then you can understand the sentence properly. So just see the example of it. Like first one is given, I, with I said have will be there. So I have been looking, okay, for my wallet all day, and then I was looking for my money bag, okay, purse. Next is it has been raining. See friends, here it is used, it, third person, okay, singular number. So it, with that it has is coming. Next is humans. Human is in the plural form, third person it is of course, but plural form. So that is why it is have has come there, okay. So one more thing, the note gives, like we often use time expressions like for an hour, for a few weeks, all day, all winter, and since Monday with the present perfect continuous tense. So see, in the present perfect continuous tense or perfect continuous tense, it is very necessary to mention the time. So to mention the time in case of present form, these are some of the ways to express the time. So related to that same tense, let us try to see the exercise of it, comprehension, exercise A, that is, complete these sentences about a challenge you took up. Use the present perfect continuous tense, okay, and first one is being done for you. So it's a challenge, okay, the whole sentence is based on a challenge, okay, and challenge is like we need and challenge is with the blank given, and what we need to do is complete them all together, okay. And the format that we are asked to use is present perfect continuous tense, no other tense. Since we have already dealt with the present perfect continuous tense, it will be easy for us to deal with. So the answers you can see already on the screen, even then I will read it for you. The first, I'll read it from the beginning itself. I have been, okay, answers are there, you may match it, okay dear friend. I have been solving, okay, crossword puzzles since age 10. Then next answer goes, my friends. See here it is plural, friends, okay, friends are plural, so it will be have, okay, have, my friends have then been, and with the verb challenge it will be ing, challenging me to attempt a difficult one. So I, with I again have will come, so have, I have been trying to solve a difficult crossword puzzle since this morning. Next again I is there, and with I we know have comes, so I have been reading the close backward to, close backward to. Again I is there, so it will be again I have been, okay, with I have again will come. I have been thinking of possible synonyms and antonyms. Again I is there dear friends, so again I have been referring to the, just a minute, I have been referring to the treasures. My mother, now my mother is a singular one, and that is a third person, okay, third person singular, and if it is third person singular it will be has. So my mother has has been suggesting words to me. And next, all my efforts are my attempt, my trials are in plural, all, because all, everything, okay, all together, so it will be have, okay, it is in plural number. So all my efforts have been failing, okay, have been failing. So that is how we can solve the present perfect continuous tense. Dear friends, we shall see past perfect continuous tense in the next video. Till then, stay in, stay safe, take care.